this video is me changing the wheel bearings in the Tiger 800 back wheel. The reason for doing this, as I mentioned previously, the rear axle in the Tiger is 20mm and the axle for the Bonnie is 17. So I've got a lovely kit of parts here from Firmware Parts, which is 2 wheel bearings and a new outer seal. Now the smart fans of you out there will know that there is a third wheel bearing which is actually in the cush drive. Now that's the sleeve spacer and a bearing there. Now there's a spacer that sits on the inside of that goes against the back of that bearing and against the bearing on the drive side of the wheel. That sleeve spacer I've had a copy of made with the correct ID for the axle, so we don't need to replace that one. It's in really good serviceable condition. The wheel has barely done anything, to be fair, so we're just going with the 2 in the wheel. So I'm going to pull this seal out now, just have a quick look, see where we're at, and if I have no joy with this, I'm going to be going to see my dad tomorrow because he needs some help jacking up one of his motorcycles. So this video will be over a couple of days and hopefully we'll see some interesting things. And yeah, let me just crack on and get this seal out. So my GoPro battery just died. I think I need to order a new one. But I've rushed ahead. I've got those 2 bearings out. So that's the 2 old bearings there. The old seal. That's my new seal. And my 2 new bearings. And 1 wheel. And a spacer tube. So let's get those new bearings in and yeah, get this ready to go back on the bike. So that's the bearings fitted and the wheel is in, so I'll give you a quick sneak peek of that. So it's all in, it's lined up nicely, it fits with the spacers, spins nice and happy. So yeah, that's gone rather well. So anybody wanting to do this, I can give more details if you need them. But next big job back here is doing the swing arm extension, but we'll get around to that. But as you can see, kind of missing a bit of some wiring to finish off and whatever else connections to make, but there's a essential bit missing. Pretty sure I've mentioned it before, but my sewing machine wasn't really up to it and I wasn't really up to it. Made the cover and everything, that was all fine for the top, but then doing the boxing for the sides, through the piping, through the top, through the foam, just it plays havoc with tension on sewing machines and all sorts of things that I never wanted to understand in the first place. So I went to Leighton's, who are the people that made the seat for the BSA, and Andrew was very kind. He was very happy with the foam, so he just made me a cover up, and he turned it round in about a week. So yeah, as we can see, it's missing. So much like the exhaust, I think we'll try a and there it is. So I'm very happy with this. I think it looks particularly nice. We had a bit of a discussion because I was going for the square stitch, same as what I've got on the BSA over here, which needs a good clean. But he was like, that's quite retro, and the perforated rib top is more of a Triumph look, plus because it's not actually perforated, it's not going to fill with water or take it out on a particularly wet day like you have a truly cross-stitched top cover. So it's also good to have something a bit different, I guess. But yeah, very happy with that. Making sure that you don't see the front of the bike, because things have changed there as well. Anybody that's been on Instagram will probably have looked, you will have seen that. So if you want to be ahead of the build videos, then yeah, go over on Instagram. Yeah, and yeah, you'll see instantly what's going on. But yeah, as you can see, we've got the seat, fits very nicely with the tail light. Not much change from after the phone. Dusty side covers. Got the back wheels in, tail light, tank there. All the controls are in. We have a clutch that kind of works, and you can see here, very nice set of red felt grips, which are quite akin to the Triumph Black Diamond grips. I was going to do a video on that, but it's pushing grips on handlebars. Seems like a waste of your time and probably my time editing. So there you go, the grips are on. But yeah, that'll just about do it for this video, guys. I know it's a bit short and sporadic. I'm about to head over, carry on with the MGB, so there'll be more of that next week. I know I said Sundays will be for the MGB, but things have got a bit disjointed. But we should get back on track. And hopefully, I'm aiming for the end of May. That's the current target to get on the road. So not long at all. But yeah, let's see if we can make it. Thank you for watching this long, guys. Click like, subscribe, all the usual stuff. Really helps the channel out, and I'll see you in the next one.